Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're here at the Aster in Turtle Creek, the Aster at Turtle Creek in Dallas, Texas. We're on the 4th floor, and this is their amenity floor. So I'm gonna walk around it just to give you an overview in it. Then we're gonna do a separate video on each of these amenities. So if we turn to the left, this is a really nice fitness center. I can't wait to show this off to you. This is gonna be fun. This is a multi-level fitness center that's here. So it's very, very nice. Then over here is a beautiful resident lounge. You're gonna love seeing that. It's very nice as well. There's a pool table in here. There's a really nice lounge area. Over to the right, you're gonna see a beautiful pool. We're going to see that in a minute, but you can see just maybe the tad touches of it. It's over here. And then there's a co-working area that's here. We're going to see that too. So this is the first floor amenities, fourth floor amenities of the Aster Turtle Creek. Now what we're going to do is we're going to dive deep into each one of these. So let's see that on the next videos. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. Let's start on our next video with going into the fitness center.